If you are overly aggressive in court, it presents your opponent with two alternatives. Number one, they either acquiesce to that, roll over, and give up in the face of your aggression, which will humiliate them and embarrass them in front of their own colleagues in court. Or number two, it'll force them to fight back. And if they do fight back, well, then you're now very likely in a totally avoidable war. And in a war situation, all bets are off. You don't know what's going to happen. Worse again, if the judge has already seen some type of this song and dance act before, they may either switch off or intervene, and there's a high chance that they'll intervene. And if they do, they're going to intervene on one side or the other. In truth, this is an ego-driven exercise where you're trying to live up to the impression you have of yourself inside in your own mind, the idea you've created in your own head about who you are and how you're perceived in court. Well, the chances are you'll alienate the judge, and your own colleagues will think that you're a bit of a insert expletive here. But what you're really doing is putting your ego ahead of your client's best interests. And if it goes wrong, it's going to go wrong, not for you, but for your client. Quite often, you'll achieve your goals, which is winning, a lot easier and a lot quicker if you're simply nice to the other person. When you behave like that, you'll find that defensiveness drops away and compromise is a lot easier in that situation. Where you don't, and you go into a war type situation, it can be protracted, it can go on for any length of time, and you may end up exhausting the patience of a judge who comes down against you in some way because of the way you behaved.